How to make a bag from a roll using the Magic Vac Jumbo 30 Evo Plus vacuum sealer. Once you have your food, you can determine the length of the bag that you're going to need using a pair of scissors or a bag cutter. This is an Avid Armor bag cutter that we're using. We're going to go ahead and cut the size of bag that we need. And then all we have to do is open the lid, and we're going to run a seal only cycle just to get that first seal to be able to make a vacuum bag. So the opening of the bag actually does not have to go into the vacuum channel, since all we're doing is making a seal. So you can move it down on the seal bar as close to the edge as you can get it, where you're still going to make a complete seal across the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and place it right there. We're going to close our lid, lock both sides, and then all we have to do is a manual seal function. You'll see the light is flashing. That means it is going through the seal cycle. Once it's complete, you'll see the light become solid, and then all you have to do is unlock your lid, remove your bag, inspect the seal, make sure it's nice and smooth all the way across and there's no wrinkles or anything in the bag. Now this bag is ready for food. So we'll go ahead and load the bag up. We're gonna seal some beef jerky. Once your bag is loaded, then you're gonna place the other side. This time it does have to go in the vacuum channel because we are going to be vacuum sealing it now. So place that in the vacuum channel and then smooth across the seal bar. Close the lid. Remember, you can always use your viewing window to determine if the bag is properly placed. Once you lock both corners, go ahead and press your auto vac and seal button. The vacuum gauge rises when it's under vacuum. Now it's in the seal cycle, sealing the bag since it's blinking. Once the seal cycle is complete, the vacuum will release and you're ready to open the lid. And then go ahead, again, always check your seal, make sure it's smooth, no wrinkles all the way across. Make sure you have a nice tight vacuum on your bag, and then it's ready for storage.